What's up, my friends? How are you? Fairfiger here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to play scales, but not just the regular scales, but the CAGED system for scales. What's the CAGED system? The CAGED system is inspired, or it comes from the shape of the chords that we are playing. What do I mean? For example, this is C, and from here we have a scale. And we have C. So as you remember, it's CAGED, so that means that it's C, A, G, E, and D. So those are the shapes that we're going to use to take, let's say, you have the shape, and from there you develop a scale. So we have C, now we have A, but from A we have to move it to the C major position, so because we're doing C major scales, but it will be here. It's the same shape, A, B, C. So here on C, we're gonna start with the next scale shape. that sensation when you want it to finish. Now, the next one will be G. If we move it to C major, we'll be here. And from here we start another scale. The next one will be E. If we move it to C major, we'll be here. And the last one will be D, that is here. And if we move it to C major, we'll be here. Just, can you see with the microphone? Yeah. And here you have the chord. Yeah, and that's where the CAGED scales are coming. Now, how can you practice this? Well, the most basic one, or the most used one, is just to play them, and that's why actually what I will suggest you, just play them, play as much as you can. But the trick here is, like, you have two options. You can practice just with the metronome, or you can start to connect the scales with melody. That's what I like to do. So I'm gonna teach you how I practice this in the first instance, because there's a lot of ways to practice this, but this is how I practice it in the first instance. So let's give it a go. Let's play the emotional backing track. Okay, we have the emotional backing track, and we can start in any time playing this because the backing track is in C major and we are practicing the C major scale, so it will sound good naturally. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will always sound right. The best part is that we can change scales in a matter of seconds. Once you learn this, check this out. I'm gonna play the 12 keys, 12 major keys in just one position. So I start with with C. Change to F. You see? Then I'm gonna go to B flat. Sorry. E flat. We have here E flat. A A flat, D flat, G flat, B, E, A, D, and G. So I play the 12 keys in just one position. Why? Because I have a good understanding of the CAGED system, and the CAGED system allows you to do that, in my opinion, in the easiest way. There's other systems that also work, of course. For me, this is the one that works the most and the one that I use the most. I will give you an example. For example, if we are playing just a progression right now, C, F, G, like La Bamba. So if we are playing C, maybe what we're going to look is the position. And if we change to F, and then we want to change to G. Again C, F. So you can, by the melody I'm doing, you can actually feel the change of the chords. And I'm not playing chords, I'm just playing scales. But the thing is that I'm doing everything in just one box. That's why the CAGED scales are so amazing. And of course, don't forget to keep in touch, because in the next video I'm gonna explain more about how to use this to improvise and how to use this, how to get this in your brain, how all what I did, just changing scales in one position, how to get this in your brain. It's a whole exercise, but you will see it in the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.